Today we're going to give you an update of our algae turf scrubber build. If you didn't download the plans yet, they're still out there, still available. It's a $5 donation to get a copy of the plans, and you can download all the updates for free from that point forward. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, like us on Facebook, and we sure appreciate all your support. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it here. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 weeks or so, and I'm going to go ahead and change out the screen, or scrape off the screen here. I just want to kind of show you what the growth looks like now with these lights. So, you know, some of this is still a little bit, I just think it's a little yellow and a little jelly-like, but it's coming along real good. I'm going to go ahead and scrape this off, and I'll show you what I mean. So what I usually do is just take this kind of a plastic spatula looking thing. I don't know where I got that from. What does it say on there? Mazda. Okay, I got that from Mazda. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and scrape that off a little bit. Let's see. We're not getting you can see along the top here, our shield is protecting it from growing algae through the top, which was the purpose of that. It really hard when the holes were, the water hole or the slot in the tube was filling up with algae. That was a problem. As you can see, you know, we got a pretty nice piece of algae there. But we should be able to get a softball sized piece. So I'm thinking I'm going to seed the screen with some algae that I got from a friend of mine who's a turf scrubber. You can see his. It's you know, I don't see any jelly in that, which you know, here's mine. Just, it's about the same, but so I just thought it'd be a good idea to go ahead and seed our screen with some of this. And the idea is just to kind of rub it into the pores of the screen. And you know, most of it's going to end up coming back off again, but we're just looking for start a little bit of growth here with this new, well, this is some nice turf algae, I think, that he was using, so, or that he was getting. So, down there too. So we'll put that back in. And see what it looks like. I didn't even, look at this. I didn't even shut the water off now when I took this off. I mean, I've done it a few times like this. It just works. Just sort of there we go. Put our shield back on. And there it is. Ready to go. So I think, you know, the algae I had was actually, it looked like the same stuff, but I just think that it was still a little bit jelly-like. Now, one of the things about the gel-like algae is that it usually means that your lights are a little bright or the photo period's too long, and I did reduce our photo period this last round, so we'll see how it does, and I'll get back to you in a little bit. Oh baby, kinda heavy. You can see, you know, there's a lot of yellow in there, and that's because the lights are too bright. This side's greener, so I'm going to turn the brightness down a little bit on the lights, and boy, not by much. Seems like everybody likes to put their algae in a cup. Okay? Alright, fine. Put it in a cup, folks. Ooh, let's measure how much algae we got. I just use a scraper. So, I would not do any more than that with the screen. Now, I've been pretty fortunate I don't have algae growing up in there. But I try to kind of keep it away from the top here, and maybe a little extra scraping there, but not a good idea to rinse this. You've got it seated, it's wonderful, you know, throw it back in. So this is, I've been in California for a while. You know, we're in Minnesota here, but this is a couple of weeks worth because I didn't get it done last week. So pretty gross, huh? Yeah. So what I do is, I don't like just, this stuff stinks, let me tell you. So when you're done with the cup, this is 2 cups worth, I guess. So I guess that would mean I'm doing a cup a week or so. But I like to put it in a Ziploc so it doesn't stink, in case I don't take the trash out right away. Because that is some nasty stuff. So there we go. You can label it if you want. So there you have it. Algae turf scrubber. Brand new lights on here. It's working great. You know, like I say, about 40% brightness, which is pretty close to the bottom of the you know, range of that dimmer, and should produce some pretty good algae. I'm up to a cup a week, which is pretty good. Maybe, you know, in another month or so I'll be up to 2 cups a week. Right now I'm still running my skimmer. I'm still running my bio pellets. Hopefully I can eliminate both of those. I've already eliminated GFO from the system, and so we'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty pleased with the algae turf scrubber. Hopefully if you built one, you're pleased with it too, and you know, we appreciate your donations. If you did donate and you already got the plans for the original, the plans have been updated. So you'll see the old icon to get the old plans on the left side of the screen. On the right side of the screen is an icon where you can download the new plans with the new lights on here. So if you've already donated, it's free. Go ahead and download the plans. If you haven't donated, go ahead and send in the $5 and you could get both sets of plans and just decide which lights you want to use. I would definitely suggest these. over the other ones though. So anyways, we appreciate your support. This is Gary Schultz from Cyclone Reef. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching Cyclone Reef. Please hit the subscribe button, like our video. We'll see you next time.